Referee's hand signals invaluable. Authorization to serve is refers to the official permission given by the referee, usually signaled by a whistle, allowing the server to initiate play by serving the ball into the opponent court. A team to serve invaluable is a team granted the right to start a rally by serving the ball after a point. A timeout invaluable is a temporary stop in play requested by a team or referee for rest, strategy, or recovery. Substitution, replacement of one player. Expulsion, a player is permanently removed from the match. Disqualification, invaluable occurs when a player or team is removed from the match. When a team reaches the required number of points. Ball not tossed or release results in a service foul. Blocking fault or screening occurs when a player illegally blocks or obstructs the opponent's view during services. A positional or rotational fault occurs when a player are not in correct position during the service. Ball in occur when the volleyball lands on the court boundary lines or within the opponent playing area. Ball out occur when the volleyball lands completely outside the court boundaries or touches an object or person out of play. When the ball is caught lifted or not hit. When a player touches the ball twice in succession. When a team contacts the ball more than 3 times before returning. A net violation invaluable. When a player touches the net during play, especially while attempting to play the ball. Reaching beyond the net occur when a player interferes with the opponent's play by crossing the net during an attack or block. An attack hit fault occur when a player improperly contacts the ball during an attack, such as lifting or carrying. Penetration fault when a player goes under the net. Double fault and replay when both teams commit faults. Ball touch occur when a player makes contact with the ball during play, either legally or faulted.